Man, I live like Bala, Leon Bailey. Boy, TJ, me I beg you go in at the studio because right now nobody know I live like Leon Bailey no more. So you have to go rework that song there and re-release it. Please and thank you. Wake up this morning and me see
Leon Bailey get exposed by his side chick in leak viral video.
Leon Bailey chippy, big baller. Well, now we see why Leon Bailey can't score no goal for Jamaica. Leon Bailey busy over Snapchat.
Blood clot this. How many blood clot this?
Guys, we've been together for 7 years. 7 years, and this man has never ever cooked me anything. So this is a very...
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando Nabilan, with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. Hot topic of the day. And guess who is in hot water today? None other than Aston Villa's right winger and Jamaica's top striker, Leon Bailey. Now, Leon Bailey's name has been in the media for a long time. Over the years, a lot of stuff always have come up in the media with his name. But this time, this one is more so damning than everything else because this time, Leon Bailey was spotted in a video with a snow bunny. And he was raw dogging and doing all sort of stuff. But this time, it's not his wife, or I would say it's not his girlfriend, but Leon Bailey was spotted in a video cheating on his girlfriend, and currently Leon Bailey deactivated his Instagram because he came under fire because a lot of people went into his comment section and said what he had the youth and so forth. And also in that video, Leon Bailey was asking the lady for the rear playment. He wanted the lady play with him backdoor. So a lot of TikTokers came out blasting Leon Bailey about what he did and why he cheated on his wife, and also that he was doing it raw without a condom and so forth. So we want to play some of the reactions them from the people them, and we can talk about it and shed our light on it and what we really think about it. And you know, a lot of people come out and say, yo, Leon Bailey, you look your thing little, so oh, you make the girl a ball and rare. But I won't get into that part of detail, but I'm just gonna share some of the clippings with some of the fans or some people coming out and speak about it. Boy, it's crazy. There is never a day where Jamaican media is not festive. So let's just jump right into it without further ado.
I do my daily rounds on social media. I stop over mountain and I see Leon Bailey picture. So of course I go click the link to see what the hell that is about. As me click the little link, I see the little article come up. You know, they might talk about him and you see him in boxers. And as you scroll down and you click the link, you know, you see him with one woman and it look like same in the mirror go and dab up one woman and thing, you know. And it goes on to show one text between him and one woman, allegedly, where he must send to the woman and tell the woman, say, him want her to eat out him back door. Ross. So me with my bright self go look if me see him page over IG and the page totally gone. So apparently missing from social media now. Why you always have to hear out the people them business? And more importantly, why you always like backdoor dealings? Jesus.
Here's the thing. Most of us as men, we do cheat and we are cheaters. It is inevitable for most men to not cheat because God make woman in so much of a spectacular way, so we can't help it as men. But the fact that Leon Bailey did what he did and do it raw and have it on video, bro, this is something crazy. How stupid can you be as a man to do something like this, knowing that, bro, you have your girlfriend and she have child for you? I saw a video where she said that they have been together for 7 years, and bro, this is just crazy. Now, viewers and subscribers, he deactivated his Instagram because of the backlash. But Leon Bailey, you should have known better. And this girl exposing you, me can't blame her and me have to blame her at the same time because you and the girl share whatever I want to share and she put it out there. Maybe it is that she wants some money from you or something, but I don't know. Viewers and subscribers, you share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think, because Leon Bailey name has been in the media for so long, for a lot of times, for all sort of stuff, but it pertains to football. But this time it is pertaining to him and him cheating on his girlfriend / baby mother. Jano, it's crazy.
Guys, we've been together for 7 years. 7 years, and this man has never ever cooked me anything. So this is a very special day.
Just come out of this bowl.
What are you making, darling?
Yeah, make some curry chicken. Rice without gravy.
I can eat it without gravy.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, let me taste it.
Without gravy.
Wow. So much flavor.
It's tough as shelly.
I cannot believe. So you could have done this the whole time and you just...
Boy, Leon Bailey, Jano, I have my ideas, but me never put my thing on video yet. Me don't know how nowadays you them just love the video in. Like, bro, you're starring a blue movie or you're starring your own porn movie. Come on, bro. No, you should have known better than that for put all the video them. For do something like that for on video, bro. And then on top of that, he's asking the lady for play in the rear. It is just crazy, viewers and subscribers.
Where the blood clot this? Where the blood clot this?
Man, I live like baller. Leon Bailey. Boy, TJ, me I beg you go into the studio because right now nobody know I live like Leon Bailey no more. So you have to go rework that song there and re-release it. Please and thank you. Wake up this morning and me see Leon Bailey exposed. Me think say the person me if it's an expose like say the dog have one event or something. But no, Leon Bailey exposed. Start scroll through the media. Me say Leon Bailey in a one mirror, all open phone. Him in boxers. You know, I mean I like the dog they look shaky. Him look, you see me? Alright? Next thing me say Leon Bailey turn Leonardo da Vinci. Him turn painter. I paint one woman face in a one video. Nothing wrong with that. Me support it. You know what I mean? The dog realize say he can't play football his entire life. Him go decide him go pick up a trade. Him want to turn painter. Big ups to you. You have sense. You know what I mean? But the next thing me hear now say him have conversation with a woman about him we make her name from him back door. Him garbage bin. Him dirty thinking cesspool. You know? And me not understand what the fascination nowadays is with eating garbage. You know what I'm saying? But it's weird. You know what I mean? But I say all this to say, you know, you can't believe, no, you can't surprise. You can't surprise because you don't know who is who or what life people are living, you know, but I feed them life for living. I've met them live them life or they want to live it, you know. But TJ, me I beg you, go into the studio and rework the song because I like that song there, you know, dog. I like that song there. But right now, me not feel comfortable singing it at all, brother.
Viewers and subscribers, you want to know what the worst part of this is? A Gaza man and a Gaza Leon Bailey say, you know, a Gaza man then love phone and love video themselves and love get themselves caught up in all sort of thing. You know, remember Vibes Carter was spotted in a video where him get catch because and that's one of the reasons why him get sink and go to prison. So you have to understand, Gaza man them not careful, them care less with the phone. So it's just crazy.
Well, guys, Jamaican international football player Leon Bailey has been caught in a compromising situation, an undeniable compromising situation at that, because he cannot deny that this is him. Videos are circulating with Snapchat text messages and videos of Leon Bailey playing with his busting off in a girl's mouth and face, and Snapchat messages of him saying that he wants her to eat his booty like groceries and, you know, she should play with herself. The usual sex talk. I guess men are really into brata these days. But yeah, Leon, this is just the karma you get for cheating on your girlfriend and baby mama. But honestly, he's a single man because he's not married. Ladies, when these men don't want to marry you, especially after they give you a child and they do everything with you except give you the ring and that commitment to you, that means them just want to run road. Because the married man, them a run road, you know. So imagine a man when I have no commitment to you, a single man, him a go run road too. But yeah, guys, the girl in the video, a Caucasian girl, you know, she's, her name is Whitney, they say. I don't know. Whitney, your stomach strong. I mean, alone, I want nobody, me not even want nobody fluid palm me. Much as in my throat, in my face. But yeah, Leon, you're going with yourself. Me don't know if football make your hood small. Me don't know.
The weird thing about this whole video leaking and exposing thing is that all these ladies who are come out, them a talk about all the dog thing, little like them a worry about where the size the man have. All of them ladies here run down some womb shifters or something because it's not every man got birth or blessed with a big rare, you see me? But me not understand the ladies them are worried about the wrong thing. Them should have worried about the parts of the dog want him rear play with. But then again, within our modern time where everybody or a lot of people want to explore, want to do all sort of things. Well, me not them type of person, but Jano people. Share the thoughts in the comment section and make me know one thing. Bumbuckleet.
Bala, Leon Bailey. Yo, me check the father would I make the blood clad headlines for playing football and I contribute to Aston Villa and Reggae Boys, but a different thing I make the headlines for. But anyways, football where they are promoting and football where they are about. You get what me I say? Don't mix me up. Everything good. Big up the ball I see him.
Boy, Leon Bailey, this looks sticky, you know, man. It don't look like a something where you can come back from, you know. Knowing that you're an international football player and you have your baby mother, soon to be wife. All this are going to look upon you now as an international player. And it was said that he was going to Europe and Saudi Arabia, something like so, go play for them. Boy, Leon Bailey, Jano, you mess up, youth. You mess up. Probably the girl that here say you transfer to Saudi Arabia. I want some money from you, that's why I should leak the video. But Jano, Leon Bailey, you get yourself in a hot water where you're hard to come out of. If you don't know how you're going to come out of something like this, people, let me know what you think.
Liam Bailey get exposed by his side chick in leak viral video.
Bailey, chippy, big baller. Well, now we see why Leon Bailey can't score no goal for Jamaica. Leon Bailey busy over Snapchat. A score a goal in the Leon Bailey. Nothing wrong with that, you know, Chippy. Nothing wrong with that, Bailey. But the part we don't like, I when you ask the girl them for the body wash. Kill them not depend that. Although you and Jeffrey are still no, so you know, so anything possible, you know, because you and Jeffrey are big friend, you know. But Leon Bailey, you know, you are a baller, and you know, we rate and everything. You see what I say? Nothing wrong for you wet up the girl them face. We don't see nothing wrong with that. But as we have said, what is wrong is when you go ask the girl them for the body wash. Round this so, we don't mix and mingle with round this. You see what I say? But I see what I go on for the World Cup qualifier because I see her score a whole heap of goal over there so. Inna the girl them belly over Snapchat. So should be a good look for World Cup qualify. You should be there on top form. You see what I say? Leon Bailey, you know you are a boy still. You know we respect you as a big baller. You see what I say? No matter what people say, you are a baller. So just go on the right.
Everybody see the video with Liam Bailey? Why, Leon, you disappoint me. You disappoint me now. You disappoint the whole of Jamaica. You disappoint the Football Federation. Like, what is that? Like, what that? Hey, girl, you wicked and body? We are balling a guan so for something they did so for you balling a guan so?
Viewers and subscribers, boy, Jano, Jamaica is not a real place, no dog. Viewers and subscribers, let me know one thing in the comment section. Because the people have drag Leon Bailey, you know, till the dog have to deactivate him Instagram, you know. Oh, yo, you don't know all that cruel, you don't know that wicked, them come down by them wicked. Knowing that the man have a baby mother for over 7 years. So married probably. I remember they came on Instagram with premiering like a show where the two of them in, you know, like a family show where them a premiere with the two of them, you know, with the kids and everybody in them house and so forth. So for Leon Bailey, I do this right now, Jano, that's something I have to just cancel because them all drag him in another movie there, or I would say the TV show. Them all drag him.
Cheating on one thing, but to be swinging your tingling bareback in a one like a clout chasing commoner front, that's I honestly feel bad for the person's partner, but him not gonna be the first and him certainly not gonna be the last. You know, baby girl, you got kids to live for. I also wonder, them not have NDAs no more, or we not do them something no more. Because when you're of a certain caliber, you have to do them something because you never know who you can trust. Now let's talk about the female who allegedly leaked the video. For me, clearly she's a clout chaser. Because why would you want to leak something like that with your face in it? Like, make it make sense. And then when man treat you like dog shit and be a certain type of ways towards in the class and the wickedest way, degrading you. If you don't have no respect for yourself, or the man them for have respect for you. You damn if you do, you damn if you don't. Because if the baby mother stay, you got yourself, she's stupid and she stay for the wrong reasons. She don't respect herself. If she leave, you got yourself, we should better leave for and the whole heap of money, this, the whole heap of money that you can't please black people. That's why I'm always telling you, you have to live for yourself. You must know on a tolerance threshold. You must know when you can accept from when you can't accept.
Yeah, man, Muma, real talk, yeah, make still. Him really crossed the line by cheating and doing it bareback, raw dog style. It's just crazy if you know, say, yo, brother, are your woman, you gotta go home to back, Well, a lot of man literally do them things, That's why a lot of women catch AIDS and all sort of infection and gonorrhea and chlamydia, all of them diseases there, STD. So, the woman I say make a lot of sense because Leon Bailey, you're a person of your stature shouldn't out here or do a yard, bro. And even if you do a yard, dog, you shouldn't go raw. And you shouldn't even have video, bro. What kind of clout you look, brother? You have all the clout you want. You're a superstar. You're a international football player. Brother, you shouldn't out here do them things. Leon Bailey, this is so embarrassing to you and your family. Or would it look now? Brother, by the time Jamaica for go play a match, dog, and you for go play with them, brother, I'll be a buckle and stone you go get. Jano, Leon Bailey. I know for sure one person who not go show up at the stadium there for come support Leon Bailey and I'm wife and him family. Brother, you cast this for yourself, youth.
Bumbuckler, that wanna fuck up people. You know who me come out who I will get bun up Yo, I wonder how TJ feel artist TJ. We sing his song Bala, Leon Bailey, a shitty Bailey, Bumbuckler. No, Leon Bailey in a trouble to blood. Big baller like a dog. But yeah, a Gaza Leon Bailey says still, so I'm telling you, and Gaza be a practices and so sitting going over there. So. Remember me telling you people, remember me did already tell you. But Leon Bailey, boy, I don't know. Leon Bailey, oh, you get caught up in this and no charge it. But yeah, me expect that still. Cause you never really was. You see, karma is a bitch. Nobody you have friends in the Jamaica and do good. So now we can take you out of the squad. Because you don't know eloquence. I know gratitude. I know when you call her there.
One of the most interesting thing about that leaked video is the fact where he was going raw dog. That must be his personal woman. And it's just to show you that a lot of men that are cheating, they do not wrap it up. It's not being wrapped up. So a lot of you wives that are at home, oh my God, let him go cheat. I am the wife. I be their yard. You're going to get something at home. Don't worry.
Leon Bailey, you don't love your woman. Hold on. Let me say this again. Leon Bailey, you don't love your baby mother. Jano, brother, you gone out a road, gone raw dog, and next. Kitty, a snow bunny at that too. Jano, brother, you don't know, say the snow bunny are the one them where always are going to expose you because what? You have the money, brother, you have the money. So anything where you can't give, she go push out anything where you not do out there in the media for expose you. Brother, you should have known better than this, Leon Bailey. Come on, man. Never expect this from you, Leon Bailey. Jano, it look like say now you go drop from the Jamaica squad. Jano, Leon Bailey. No one stop your food still, no, but Jano, you cause this for yourself, youth. Look how the people them come out and drag your name and tear you down. Or your wife supposed to feel, even boy him wife, him not married her yet, but your baby mother supposed to feel embarrassed. Youth, Jano Leon Bailey, come on, man. Never expect this from your youth.
And the only reason enough of you no get exposed is because you don't have nothing. You don't have no money, you don't have no name, and the people them not have nothing for gain from exposure. So that's why I want a secret safe. Zin, yeah, man. I'm going to start it plain and keep it real. Zin, I better you back your fist. No for pain and trauma and struggle and sufferation you go through in a life could all be avoided had you just back your fist. Yeah, man, you them believe me.
No, but on a realistic level, still enough viewers and subscribers. And like the man I tell still now, better you back your fist, cause Jano, look how Leon Bailey have how much money out here in the world. He no want for nothing. And the dog gone out, they gone cheat. Raw ban, raw like a dog. Brother, this is embarrassing. Viewers and subscribers, this really is embarrassing. You guys let me know on the things you want to touch in the comment section, cause on my side, when me think, trouble dede. Leon Bailey probably don't even sleep in the house after this whole thing get exposed. He might have a sleep at hotel, motel, wherever, or find him place back at the girl the yard where him did find himself and the girl a cheat. Jano. Leon Bailey, stick it on your brother. Fix things, youth. Fix things. Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section. Make me know when you think you know it go already, man. A Vibes and Insight with Nando. With another episode, a mad thing. I'm out. Peace.